updates. Firstly, Ethiopia urging civilians to prepare for the fight against Tigray Defense Force. As Tigray Defense Force along with Oromo Liberation Army is heading towards Addis Ababa after taking control of Dessie and Kombolcha. Secondly, again fighting started between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies in Gashina. Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces want to take control of Gashina to cut the supply line of Tigray Defense Force. We'll discuss in detail. Viewers, now let's move to the first update. Authorities in the Ethiopian capital Addis Ababa urged residents to prepare to defend their city. The city administration said in a statement, people should register their weapons and gather in their neighborhoods. The statement says house to house searches were being conducted and troublemakers are being arrested. As I have already reported, Ethiopian security forces are arresting Tigrayans. The statement further said residents can gather in their locality and safeguard their surroundings. Those who have weapons but can't take part in safeguarding their surroundings are advised to hand over the weapon to the government or their close relative or friends. Viewers, remember the appeal came after the Tigray Defense Force claimed to have captured several towns in recent days, especially Dessie and Kombolcha. And Tigray Defense Force said they are marching towards Addis Ababa, which is around 235 miles to the south of their forward positions. Mr. Getachew said at the weekend that Tigrayan forces took control of two cities, Dessie and Kombolcha. Tigrayan forces said they had linked up with fighters from an Oromo forces also fighting the central government. Viewers, remember the Oromo are Ethiopia's biggest ethnic group. Many of their political leaders are currently in the prison. As you know, Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Bati and Shifra. They have also reached Ethiopia-Djibouti road. Viewers, Oromo Liberation Army fighters are also advancing with Tigray Defense Force towards Addis Ababa. Viewers, now let's move to the second update. Fighting is underway in Gashina. Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies fighting against Tigray Defense Force in Gashina. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces want to take control of Gashina so that they can cut supply line of Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, after Gashina, they can move towards Valdia. But remember, in past, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces had tried many times to take control of Gashina, but they remain unable to control Gashina. Gashina is under the full control of Tigray Defense Force so far. Viewers, these were two updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.